Just found out you're pregnant in Tampa? Congratulations! Now you've got 80 tabs open on hospitals, doulas, midwives, insurance. Let's close every single one of them right now. Here's what we're covering in this video. Is 3 Tampa hospitals where doulas and midwives are welcome, the birth centers offering midwife-led care, the doulas and midwives you can work with, what everything costs, how Florida Medicaid can help, and a free app that builds your birth plan step by step. Let's start with where you can deliver. Tampa General Hospital on Davis Islands is the only baby-friendly designated birth facility in Hillsborough County and one of just 11 regional perinatal intensive care centers in Florida. With a Level 3 NICU, approximately 6,200 births per year, and private rooms with downtown skyline views, TGH welcomes doulas in the operating room during cesarean sections and integrates AdventHealth certified nurse midwives into the care team. St. Joseph's Women's Hospital, part of the Bay Care system in the university area, features a 76-bed Level 4 NICU, the highest level of neonatal care designated by the state of Florida. It admits more than 800 infants annually, provides surgical repair of congenital conditions, and is one of the only Tampa Bay facilities with a dedicated high-risk maternity unit for women requiring hospital bed rest during pregnancy. AdventHealth Tampa on McKinley Drive in North Tampa offers the birthday experience personalized maternity care at its Women's Health Pavilion. The hospital features a Level 3 NICU, staffed 24/7, certified nurse midwives on staff, and a holistic approach to birth that emphasizes skin-to-skin contact, delayed cord clamping, and family-centered care for families across North Tampa and the USF area. Tampa also has Barefoot Birth, a home birth midwifery practice founded by Charlie Ray Young, a licensed midwife and certified professional midwife. Serving Hillsborough, Pinellas, and parts of Pasco and Polk counties, Barefoot Birth offers personalized prenatal care, water birth, VBAC support, and comprehensive postpartum care in the comfort of your own home. Charlie Ray has attended hundreds of births and also operates the Community Roots Collective, a nonprofit space for families to grow and connect. Sweet Child of Mine Birth Center on Gun Highway serves the entire Tampa Bay area with personalized out-of-hospital birth care. Their midwives are graduates of the Florida School of Traditional Midwifery and offer water birth, natural birth, nitrous oxide pain relief, and comprehensive midwifery care including prenatal, birth, and postpartum services in a comfortable, home-like alternative to hospital birth. Tampa has experienced birth doulas, postpartum specialists, lactation consultants, and midwives ready to support you. From Candace Enriquez, a DONA-certified birth doula and clinical hypnotherapist with 15 years of experience, to Charlie Ray Young's Barefoot Birth home midwifery practice, and One Love Doula's comprehensive team offering Spanish and Creole services, there's someone for every family and every budget. Here's the part every Tampa mom should know about. The True Joy Birthing app is completely free. No account, no catch. 9 guided sections walk you through your entire birth plan. You can find and message doulas and midwives near you right inside the app. Then export your plan as a PDF to share with your provider. It's the tool every mom needs in her pocket. Here's the reality. A doula in Tampa typically costs $800 to $4,100. Most doulas offer payment plans, and Florida Medicaid now covers doula services as of 2024. Midwifery care runs $3,500 to $5,000 for home birth or birth center care. The investment is real, but the support is worth every dollar. Florida Medicaid covers doula services under the new 2024 policy for eligible enrollees. Contact your managed care plan, Sunshine Health, Staywell, Simply Healthcare, United Healthcare Community Plan, or AmeriGroup to verify doula coverage and find participating providers in the Tampa area. Even if you have private insurance, some plans now include doula benefits. It's worth a call to check. A birth plan tells your care team exactly what matters to you. You can build yours with the free PDF birth plan, watch our walkthrough series, or use the mobile app. It's all free and it's all ready for you right now. We'll put the link below.